Hi everyone, I'm Justin Banon. I'm the co-founder of BOSON Protocol and Redemium Labs. And I'm here to talk to you about some of the amazing stuff we're doing with Metaverse commerce. So at Redemium Labs, we're building the dragons of Metaverse commerce. We have one product called Portal, which is on the buy side, and that's a marketplace within the Metaverse. You can think of this as a 3D open sea for Fidget. We also have a rewards, NFT rewards product called Nifty Key. And you can think of that like Priority Pass for the multiverse. In fact, I run Priority Pass for quite a few years. And then we're also building a product called MetaSeller, which is like a Shopify for Web3 that connects the metaverse to e-commerce applications. So let's talk first about BOSON Protocol. BOSON Protocol is the universal settlement layer for commerce. We raised last year $36 million to build this core foundational piece of Web3. And we launched V1 in November, and we're launching V2 in the summer. BOSON Protocol has been recognized by the World Economic Forum as a technology pioneer for 2022 for the breakthrough technology that we're delivering. The problem we solve is a $1 trillion problem. The metaverse and Web3 is disconnected from real world commerce. If you look at e-commerce, it's not a solution to this problem. Web3 relies on code, not trust, whereas e-commerce requires buyers and sellers to trust in some sort of an intermediary. And it also silos all the transactions into some database. So Alibaba and Amazon and eBay all contain commerce transactions, but they aren't free to talk to each other. They're siloed. In addition, all of these transactions are not interoperable with Web3 or NFTs. They all happen within Web2, within locked away databases. And if you want to do commerce or e-commerce in the metaverse, plugging e-commerce into the metaverse is not a solution. That's a bit like the first version of the web. Travel agents would put up a sign of a beach and a hotel and say, oh, if you want to book travel, come into our shop in the high street. Metaverse commerce is different. So what does BOSON Protocol do? BOSON Protocol enables Web3 decentralized commerce. So whereas with Web2, the settlement layer is handled by intermediaries, with BOSON Protocol, the settlement between buyers and sellers and the management of disputes is handled by a combination of smart contracts and game theory, with escalation to independent resolvers only as a last resort. So this is trust minimized. You need only trust the BOSON code and is fully metaverse and Web3 interoperable. And what's more, the transactions within BOSON Protocol are tokenized into an NFT format, which means that all of those, if I buy your car or if I buy your sneakers, these get tokenized as an NFT, and I can go and sell those, transfer and trade them like any other NFT, creating this liquid digital marketplace for things. So BOSON can be used for connecting smart contracts. It can be used for crypto loyalty. It can be used for connecting Web3 to real world commerce, and it can be used for metaverse commerce. Why is now such an important time? Well, number one, there's a blue ocean now. Number two, we have this epochal disruption. So once in 25 years level of disruption. And three, we've developed this breakthrough technology. So as most of you will know, crypto is the fastest adopting technology in history, faster even than the web. And NFT adoption has absolutely exploded. We've never seen anything like this adoption. Where we're building is the intersection of crypto and mainstream. It's the metaverse. It's where crypto is going mainstream. We've already had a huge amount of kind of recognition. And, for brands, this isn't a should I do it? It's a must have. They recognize that, through all of these different waves of innovation, from physical to digital to mobile, the metaverse is the next big interface. And you can see this in the press that, brands have to get into the metaverse. They know it. Otherwise, they're going to get left behind. So what we're seeing, other trends are the digital and physical emerging. So, you have the metaverse with these digital NFTs, and then what we call the metaverse or the universe, where we have physical NFTs. So BOSON Protocol enables you to sell physical items as NFTs in the metaverse. But even more powerfully, these two worlds collide. And this summer, we are selling Fidgetals, so fizzy digitals. So digital items paired with physical items as NFTs. So imagine you have a pair of sneakers, you buy a luxury pair of sneakers for $1,000, you get the physical, you get the digital with it. Or if you buy a digital pair, you get the physical with it, all bound together by a Fidgetal NFT. So here are some of the products that we're building. Firstly, as I've mentioned, Portal, which is a 3D marketplace, Metaseller, Shopify for Web3, and Nifty Key, the rewards program for the multiverse. So BOSON Portal enables brands to sell these physical and digital items as NFTs, just like any other NFT. And we're helping brands with all the creative, the build, and fulfillment. So these redeemable NFTs can be gamified, so you can have quests in order to play them. They can be tradable, so transferred and traded like any other NFT. I can buy a pair of physical sneakers and then go and trade it on OpenSea. But they can also be programmable, so they can be token gated. So maybe I can only buy these sneakers if I have a Bored Ape or a special NFT or etc. And they can represent anything, digital, physical, or experiential. An example of what we do is a treasure hunt, where you go, you see some sneakers in store, you can't buy them, you click a QR code, you go into the metaverse, you do a quest, it unlocks this digi-physical item, and you go and redeem that in the real world. And this is what the user experience, the user interface looks like in the metaverse, where you buy things in 3D and you get an NFT that's redeemable in the real world. We did Metaverse Fashion Week. We were the commerce infrastructure partner with brands such as Tommy Hilfiger. Again, huge amount of recognition for Portal within the press from publications such as Vogue, Forbes, and many others. So the future for Portal is to launch a Portal marketplace in every metaverse, every game, and reality. And we will be moving to the sandbox next and have mass scale via Portal web marketplace. So Portal plugins for every metaverse, every game, and every reality, connecting the metaverse and the universe. And what's next? Well, this year, digital and physical collide. Whereas last year was the year of NFTs, this year we have the summer of Fidgetals, and BOSON Portal and BOSON Protocol are a key partner in a huge 3-month campaign, global campaign called the Summer of Fidgetals. So we will be telling our public more about this in the coming weeks. And if you'd like to contact me to find out more, you can do so via my assistant, Lucy K at bosonprotocol.io. And I'd love to tell you more about what we're doing and help you get involved.